Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. For a life well lived and every expectation fulfilled. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, doors and push button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 1-866-470-0171.
For value